My name is Marisha Mastrioni. All right. Well, I ended up here in Atlanta from Los Angeles, California, about 6 years ago. I decided to start a new chapter in my life. I wanted a different, environment, a new change. So I decided to pick up myself and pack my bags and move to Atlanta, Georgia. And ever since I've been here, it's been nothing but great experiences. I've gotten so many good job opportunities. I've gone back to school, and now I'm here working as a workers' comp paralegal for Gerber and Holder, which I absolutely love. And I just firmly believe that everything happens for a reason. And you know how the way I ended up here, it's like it wasn't planned, it wasn't like orchestrated, it kind of just happened. So I feel like I'm here for a reason, and I'm living in my purpose right now. And a part of that purpose along my journey is to be here at Gerber and Holder. Well, I first always have the understanding that that can be me at any point. I can get hurt at any job that I work at, and just to know that my life can be altered by one accident makes me relate to my clients very well, because I can kind of understand what they're going through. We all work, we all try to make a living, and to have something unfortunate happen to us that we didn't plan nor expect makes me, kind of get a feel of what they're feeling. Because if I knew that if that happened to me, my whole life would change, and I would need definite guidance and help along the way if I didn't do what I was doing in my profession now. So that's kind of how I relate to my clients. That getting an attorney is very important. And I feel like a lot of times our clients, they wait until something bad happens before they call us. And I feel like, especially if you're not sure of the workers' comp process, if you've never been hurt on the job, it's very important to seek help as soon as possible. And I feel like that's kind of, I wish that we were able to help a lot of our clients early on in their claim than later on. And I feel like that's one important thing. If you do not know what your rights are, if you do not know what the workers' comp policies are, get help immediately. Do not wait until the insurance company does something to you. Do not wait until your job fires you. Get help before, if you do not know what to expect. I love to cook. I love to be home. I'm a homebody. I love to be around my close friends, close family. My mom is not in the state that I'm in right now, but I talk to her all the time. So I just like being like around good energy, good people. I love being at home. I love doing little like arts and craft things. I love makeup. I love hair. I love cooking, like I said. So that's what I like to do outside of my time at work. Just kind of just do like things that make me feel cozy. I love that word, cozy. So a couple things. That I'm also a full-time student doing this job, that a lot of my clients don't know that. They think I'm just a paralegal, or I already went to school to be a paralegal, but I'm actually in school pursuing a different degree that's not in paralegal studies. So I think a lot of my clients would be surprised to know that I do both, and I'm full-time in both. The most difficult part about dealing with insurance companies is I feel like sometimes they forget that they're dealing with people and not just a claim number. And I feel like sometimes that lack of, humanizing your claims makes people a little insensitive, and they're not urgent on matters such as like your benefits. Clients are not getting their weekly checks. To an adjuster, they might just feel like it's another thing to type in the computer, another email to look at, when in actuality this is people's lives. They can't pay their bills, they can't feed their families. And I feel like that disconnect makes it difficult, because you're trying to advocate for your clients and they think of them as just another claim number. And I feel like that's very frustrating sometimes. You might get the occasional adjuster or attorney on the other side that actually cares and knows that we're dealing with, people who are going through a tough time in their lives. But a lot of times, you're just emailing as if it's just another case. And that makes me a little sad sometimes. Be a burrito from LA, a specific burrito from this restaurant. It's called La Barca. And I guess that means like the boat or something in Spanish. But they have these big wet burritos. They're like, the plate It's like as big as my laptop. You can't eat the whole burrito at once. You either have to share it or you bring half home, but it's so good. It has all fresh ingredients. It's covered with enchilada sauce. And I always get red and green because I can't pick. But if I could eat that right now, I'd be super happy.
What is your favorite movie?
The Notebook.
What is your favorite television show?
My favorite television show probably is The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air because I just love that show, and I have like the whole DVD set and I watch them all the time.
What is your favorite singer, band, artist?
Beyonce, Beyonce, Beyonce.
Okay. What is your favorite book?
Ooh, The Bluest Eye by Toni Morrison.
Okay. And what is your favorite color?
Purple, but not just any purple, like an eggplant purple, a deep, deep